Hello, welcome to my C Sharp for Beginner series. In this course, we will learn the C Sharp language in detail. Before starting this course, it is important that you have a basic understanding of coding. To run C Sharp programs, it is necessary to have .NET installed on your Windows or Mac machine. To install .NET on your machine, you need to open the command line, and then you can check whether .NET is installed or not by simply typing .NET in the command line. Since .NET is already installed on my machine, I can see all these options here. If .NET is not installed on your machine, you will see this error. .NET is not recognized as an internal or external command. If you also see this error, it means .NET is not installed on your machine. To install .NET, you can visit the official download page shown on your screen and install it from there. For this course, I am using .NET 9. Once .NET is installed on your machine, you can again type .NET in the command line to verify the installation.